worse than I thought.
What do we do now?
I'm scared, Father.
We'll fix this. Together.
We always do.
It's gonna be okay.
Another morning, another chance to make something warm. The soup smells good.
Hold the bucket steady.
It's coming through here now, too.
Hurry, Dad, the bed is getting wet.
We lost everything. But we still have each other. We'll rebuild.
All right, we're almost there. Just follow this track. See the chimney? That's the spot. Got it.
We're so grateful you're here.
Yeah.
Don't you worry, we're going to make this home beautiful again.
Let's take a closer look at the foundation and roof.
The roof needs immediate shoring up here, and this wall crack is unstable. It runs all the way down.
Yeah.
I've noted the foundation shifting here. The beam is stable. Let's take the reading now. We've got severe damage here. Look at this crack. All right, let's mark it and move to the timber.
And we can open up the kitchen right here, giving you that flow.
Oh, I love that. Perfect, that's exactly what we wanted.
The structural integrity here is compromised.
We'll need to reinforce this load-bearing wall.
Do you think it's possible?
The solar panel layout ties into the plumbing here.
Yeah. Right, and we need to verify the electrical connection points on the east side. All right, let's get this fence secured before moving to the roof. Yeah. Got it. I'll grab the tools.
Mind the lumber, forklift is coming through.
I'll never forget this place.
Me neither.
I don't want to go.
It's time, son.
All right, safety procedures are in place. Affirmative. You can begin, make it a controlled pull. Watch the dust. We are good to go. Start the sequence.
Can you believe it?
It's bigger than I thought.
This is my room.
I'm gonna be right here.
Look at our home.
It's beautiful.
We did it. Yes, we did.
Wow, look at that. It's holding up perfectly.
I can't believe it, it's so beautiful.
All right, team, we nailed it.
Look at this. It's perfect.
Whoa,
We did it.
I know.
It's everything we dreamed of. It's perfect. You can see the attention to detail from up here. Welcome to your new home.
Oh, it's perfect. Wow.
We did it.
I love it.
Line it up there, just a little to the left. Grab this end.
Wow, look at that.
It's
It's beautiful, isn't it?
We're finally home.
Almost there.
A little to the left.
Perfect.
Looking great, kids. Just need to finish this. Looking good, dear.
Isn't this just beautiful? It truly is perfect, Mum.
Look at the doggy, Daddy.
Hello there, little one.
Welcome home, everyone. This is amazing. We did it. It's perfect.
The railing looks secure here. Yes, but check the corner joint for the finish.
Good catch, I'll note that.
Overall, very high quality work.
We need to finish this arrangement quickly. The family is arriving soon.
Yeah.
Almost done with these panels. Is the crew ready?
We made it.
Look at it, it's beautiful.
It's all ours.
Our home. And yours too.
Our home.
Our home.
Oh my goodness! It's perfect!
Come on.
Look at the house!
Oh my God.
It's real.
It's ours. We did it, Mom.
We did.
Look how far we've come. It's perfect.
Look at it, we did it! It's perfect.
Mommy, Daddy, look.
The sunset is beautiful.